my name is Hanna and I am a first-year graduate student in the School of Education. I'm also the student coordinator of the GSConnect program at the Office of International Services. Today we will be cooking a meal together. So the dish that we will be preparing has been supplied by Lost Farm Meal Service here in Bloomington, and we will be making a Hoosier Breakfast Casserole. I am super excited about making this dish. Not only is it representative of Midwestern cooking, it's also really easy to make, and I've never had a casserole before. The utensils that you need for this dish are a pan, a spatula, a medium bowl, and a fork. Here are the ingredients supplied to us by Lost Farm. Here we have 2 eggs, some diced red and green bell peppers and onions. And over here we have shredded potatoes, cheddar cheese, and underneath there is cottage cheese. Here are the ingredients that are not included in the kit and that you will have to get from your own pantry. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to heat up the pan. Add the oil. And then we're going to add our diced onions and peppers. We will saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions become translucent. In the bowl, we are going to add the eggs, everything that's in the foil pan. Here, that's the cottage cheese I was talking about. And then the salt and the pepper. We will also add the sauteed vegetables to the bowl. We then mix this all up. Once everything is mixed together, we will add it back to the foil pan that we were given. We will now put this into the oven uncovered and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So I decided to bake my casserole for 35 minutes, and this is the end result. So now I'm going to try the dish. Really, really good. It was like perfect for this cold weather. Well, thanks for joining me. I am going to enjoy this delicious meal, and I hope you do as well. Cheers! Bye!